Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you how to use the 300 foldable solar panel here. We will send a controller with it. For this 300 foldable solar panel, it has 6 folds. First, we connect the inverter to the battery, positive to positive, and negative to negative. Then we connect the battery to the controller, also positive to positive. And negative to negative. Then it will show the battery volt here. Finally, we connect the solar panel to the controller, positive to positive, and negative to negative. And now it is charging the battery. It can charge your phone, your light, and other devices. Thanks.